Hi, I'm Nikki Knows Best. Stick with me and learn how to travel more for less. Dream big, buckle up, come with me on my 15.5 hour flight from DFW to Dubai. Okay, so I am here at the airport. Let's see what's around. Flying Emirates. So I had a hell of a day. Went and got my test. I tested positive for COVID like a little bit over, close to 3 months ago. Got my test back, said I was positive. I got this trip planned to Dubai, and I'm like, what in the hell is going on? Anyway, needless to say, took the test twice, and twice said negative. So whatever you do, don't go to Seth Laboratories. It's some BS. But now we're here, made it. We're 3 hours from my flight, on standby. So we'll see how this gonna go. Alright, so we're about an hour and 45 minutes into the flight, and they got our dinner ready. So I'll show you a roll, crackers, spring water, green beans, cream cheese, butter, crackers. This is called pan chicken and pesto. Really good. Double water for me. I'm trying to do better. Alright, I hope y'all can hear me. We are like 3 hours into the flight. Kind of bumpy with this storm that was coming from the south up. But just kind of want to go over some of the things that they give you. Econo, I'm riding econo class. Normally I would say with Emirates, people call it the Rolls-Royce airlines. I've been on quite a few and a lot of international flights, although I may be new to YouTube. But I kind of want to show you some of what we got here so you can kind of see what's going on in the plane, just in case you're thinking about flying econo. So, table on that side, you have three. I currently am in 3 seats, so it's 343 777-200 plane. So it's a little bit older. I was really hoping that Emirates would go ahead and bring us that A380, but unfortunately we don't have it. The screen, kind of moderate. The leg space, I definitely would say you have a good amount of leg space. Like I can actually extend my legs pretty far out. The plane definitely wasn't full. First class was full, but don't want to waste rambling and stuff. So this is what you get. You get pillow, blanket, just in case you get cold. You also, you also get this cool little bag. I know some airlines have it. I fly, like I said, international quite often. When I fly in Japan Air or American Airline, they don't do this. I will say that. I flew Ireland. Was it? I can't remember their plane. I want to say it's Air Linguist, if I'm not mistaken. But they don't do that either. They give you a pillow and a blanket. That's pretty much standard. So I was kind of like, it's kind of cool to be able to get a bag, take it with you. Has everything in it. I'll show you what's in it. So I'm pretty sure business class, first class, get the highlight. Let y'all look outside. This is definitely an overnight flight. Alright, so it gives you some earplugs, which you definitely need. I don't know what this little doodad is. I guess it tells you some things that you can do for your comfort and your fit. Stickers on the top of your seat. Alright. Talks about the 2020 Expo, which is one of the reasons why I'm here. There we go. And if you come in the month of October, when you buy a one-day ticket for $27, you get the whole month of October free. Like for us, we're staying a total of 10 days, so it's right on time. Check us out. Current time, 10:53. Dubai, it is 6:53 a.m. So yeah, kind of switches up. Here we go. Sleeping. Sleep on. Give you some socks. Now, funny and cute, but at the same time, these are damn socks they give you at the Nike store when you need to try on some shoes. They gonna toss and throw away. And a toothbrush, even a cap for your toothbrush, and a toothbrush, and of course, like I said, the bag. So the bag is really cool because you can take it with you take everything with you. And then they give you, oh gosh, sorry, we got some turbulence again. Personal, I have no idea why my camera is so fuzzy. I'm sorry, people. But they give you some personal size sanitizer. So, you know, like I said, if you really want to try it, you know, this is my first time flying Emirates. I will say I am disappointed to be an international carrier that the FAA let them fly so low for so long. I'm used to being on different carriers where we fly high, and I know there is a seniority for the reason why they do that, but I just really think being this low, you feel everything, even in a big plane, and normally you don't feel everything in a big plane. So anyway, just thought I'd share half of what I got going on, and stay tuned. There's still breakfast, lunch, brunch, snack, and unlimited alcohol. That part. So as you can see, this is definitely why they call it the Rolls Royce of aircrafts, not only because the quality, the high end, also because of this skylight. It is definitely the biz all. This is probably like around 7 hours into the flight, and yes, I am hood. I wear a bunny. I don't care. So let's talk about other things that matter. Onto this food. So I made the mistake by not picking out my breakfast, and this is what I got for breakfast: a more traditional vegan breakfast. No, they do have the option for pancakes and eggs. Next time, that is what I will be on. Now the flight coming in was wonderful. This was coming over kind of like Africa, because at the time of this filming, they were having some military drills going on in the Middle East, so they kind of took us over Africa. So seeing the sun go down and the moon come up was the awesome experience I've ever seen. This is us flying into Dubai. Beautiful. As you can see, not as nice as a newer plane, no private suites, but definitely still nice business and first class. We up high, and down low, you can see you can shop. Michael Kors, boom, for y'all MCM lovers who want to shop. Don't forget duty free at the airport. Boom, 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 boom. I'm in this piece. 10 whole days. Let's get it. I'll tell you one thing. We've been walking down for 10 minutes from the airport. Came at the last gate. I'm out of breath. Look out for the next video. I'll show you how beautiful Dubai is, some of the things that I did, and what I spent. Don't miss it. Click and subscribe. Hi, I'm Nikki Knows Best. Stick with me and learn how to travel more for less.